Hi guys, hi everyone. I hope you're okay. So anyways, little video ingina bit a bit mpanvuko. Naye, please bear with me. Nadala abawala, this is a girls girl video. I'm being a girls girl. So babadde bantextinga nga you want some closure. I'm here to give you closure. So August ali kugwako. Yeah, alhamdulillah. It's actually a full year nga sirine baby daddy wange. Yeah, a full fucking year. So one, I'm doing this video because I feel I have been disrespected publicly. So an eye for an eye, because ngezezaako teekawo ekintu kya bitter truth of this person being the father of my kid. Either way, naye munaye omuntu ate osirika bakufuula musiru. So as you know, I'm not a very relevant person, but I want to address this once and for all and get done with it, because I have had a lot of people inboxing me wanting to prove a point. I'm with your person, bichi. So dear, mwaka mlambanga siri know your person. That is one. I hope that makes you happy. You are dealing with someone. I'll give you a short, we call it story time. You're dealing with someone I went back to until I got tired. That is one. I went through a lot while pregnant. This person proposed to someone on Manya WhatsApp video call when I was pregnant. This person had plans of getting married in Kenya when I was pregnant. This person got someone pregnant when they went to the UK when I was pregnant. So do you know what I dealt with? I went back until I got tired. By the time when nagamba nti kati nkoye, because mwena mmanyi stories tuvudde wala nalino n'omuntu ngamanyi nti tulina ennaku yaffe tugenda kwezimba, you know, like everyone is always positive about their people and all that. Naye, as the saying goes, gwewezimbye naye afuna omulala oba, you know. Anyway, this person has written before ngagamba sirina kyenkolachi kyemugaso oba kyemuyamba. I've never been supportive, sina kyemugattako, but we all know, if you know Mickey seems too funny, you know Bashwa Mickey, and you know the value attachment that comes with that. Now yeah, like I was saying, this is the person I dealt with all this time. Nadayo, love is love. I went back as much as I could until I got tired. By the time I got tired, my son was 2 months. Era nali nakazaala nga amaze tuyise mubiri byonna pregnant. Yetonze. Okay, we made things better. Nali ndi awo mwana yakaweza emyezi 2 and I get these texts. A lot of texts from a random number. Bangamba kwagirako videos. Emotoka jolabe awe waka sina ya mwesi ya msajja ya mkazi bichi omunu yafunisa no mkazi olubuto naye ravamu naye akazi mubonye olubuto ravamu oba nam neglecting, I don't know, that was last year, so I'm not so certain sibijukira bulungi. There was that woman waliwo gwe bajjako essimu nga beekyaye. So I have dealt with a lot. And at this point where I feel I've been disrespected enough, so I want to officially come out and say, buli omu abadde ampeereza videos, whether zija from a genuine heart trying to inform me stuff, lekera. If I wanted to know, because omuntu gwe nali naye emyaka egyo gyonna mumanyi bulungi, if I wanted to know, I would know. If I wanted to know, I would know. But I no longer want to know. Ate namwe abakazi bena yebabakoze omuntu oyo byabakoze. Why are you taking me to be mukazi munno saawe eno nga yebali bakukwana nga omanyi n'okumanya you don't look for me? Why look for me ng'ebintu bitabuse? The sina mugaso mu relationship yamwe bakwano. That's why I said I'm being a girl's girl. I'm giving you the tea so you know your position in this person's life. Omanyi wawoogwa. At this point, yenna aliwo alowooza nti gwaliko. Ask to be put in public if you think you're the only one. Olabe batakugambye nti yakuyingira mu mutwe. nze ebigambo byonna bindi wano at my forehead. All the replies. You're talking to someone who is inconsistent. Oyagala okuza waliwo eyayagala okuzaala and they were forced to terminate, I think. But this person tagenda kwagala mukazi mwavu. Bajja you will engage n'obwoya bukugwe ku magulu mukwano naye nga woyogera ku kyokuzaala oba olowooza ogenda funa olubuto he makes you settle down. Labira kunze eyali public lwaki siri naye. Of course they always tell you those people are the problem, you know, bagamba tosala gwakawala kati owuliriza gwakalenzi, but you don't know. Bw'oba oli mwavu nga tolinamu kasente nolowooza nti omuntu ono ojja mutegesa olubuto oswadde ojja zijja mpaka, because this person deals with people that have paper. Bw'oba tolinaamu tojja kukola, naye wali eri mu by'abakulu ojja kubawo oli olina okubeerawo awo. I'm talking about someone who only wants to involve in investment, like he invests himself with people abalina ku sente. Mwindoza kubanga ffe twali twava wala munnange bichinga andekeramu ako kale oba kale twezimbye ffenna okitegedde, naye essaawa eno that is not his class. Kati gwe bwe bansindikidde simanya ate yali mu mmotoka ate ayambadde essaati ate toliiwo. Bw'oba olowooza gwaliko n'ennyumba yawedde gye twatandika ffenna genda bakuteekemu. But if you think giving birth olwono omuntu olowooze nti agenda kusettlinga down mukwano ne waffe tali present father, tali consistent ne we twagezako okola co-parenting tabadde consistent. Era nentuka nendaba nga kitabuse ne mugamba bireke, era nangamba ndi munoonya because of the kid, era nange ne mugamba bwe ndi kunoonya well and good, bwe ndiba sikunoonyeza twetadde mu luzungu ne mu luganda. Talking about someone who would want alabye nti kati ovuddeyo weterezeza ofunye akayumba kongo nga single mother, because I am that right now. They want to come and touch you in the house they don't pay, but just because abadde akuwayo ku busente coming through for the kid ayagala azimbire okwo ajje. And then he's going around telling people how he pays my rent. I think netaga nkoleyo ka story time ka everything that I went through. Ono musajja omwana wange yali akaweza emyezi 4 agamba nti asasulira rent nga tamanyi na mwana gyali wabula myezi 6 nga amaze olaba omwana mupostinzi naye kuva myezi 2 nga tamanyi gyali tamanyi kyalya tamanyi ki. Naga omwana missing biki nali ndi awo nga nsindikira message, break up message. Try to giteeka ku Instagram. I had to collaborate with him. I don't know what happened. Olwono ng'omukazi oba mukazi yali agenda muwasa ate gwanne message z'abantu balina njagala family y'omukazi wange bamanyi. Imagine nga nakazaala byonna mbiyitamu already navayo omwana wa myezi 2 and all that. Abagenda kwekuba mbaga paka nakati I don't know what happened. Embaga simanyi we yakoma. Nayenga, all in all, I don't know if I've exhausted. I will do a story time. But I just wanted to come out and at least give back the disrespect I have been getting, you know? Njizeyo so that these people also feel how it feels to be disrespected, because they know actually this person knows si sobola, bashta sobola, because I have always been the quiet one. I have always been that patient, that tolerant person. But today, with all the messages I get from your people, term your girls, community eyo gye mwegattiramu bateeminge so that they don't reach out to me, because you definitely know ebintu nze binsanga gyendi. Things find me where I am. So the fact that we're blocking buli wamu waneno bajja kakusharingira kali kutuukako kajja kutuukako. Term the people you bewegatta nabo so that they don't reach out to me, kuba nsina magezi gaabwe era bonna nga we muli mu saako community eyo we mwegattira biki bateeminge. Tell them not to look for me. I have given them the clarity they wanted. We are not together and we will never be together. Thank you for listening.